Hello. Supposedly, new Gorilla Tag update. There's a new set of cosmetics in the store. Better stock up on rain gear. It looks like it could start raining in the near future. Rain in Gorilla Tag? Not having to go out of the map? Question mark? Rainy. Okay, so why is there a beach ball? I don't. Yo! That's so cute! Oh my god! That's adorable! Wait, do you have this on your hand? I wanna check. God damn! Okay, let's see. Oh, you have them. It's pretty cool design. Blue ones. I definitely like these better. The golden one. I don't think I've ever seen 3 versions of one item. Ooh, ooh. It's just a little pricey. It costs 3,500. Yeah, this one. Little bunny. Truck. That's. Oh wait, hold on. Let me check this one. Yellow one. Yay! Alright, so I'm gonna go check if there's anything else. I have 3,000 shiny rocks. What can I buy? How much does this cost? 2,000. That's it? To be honest, I don't know why I bought this hat. Can I refund it? Oh yeah, this hat definitely looks really good on me. I don't know if I'm gonna make a dumb decision again. I'd rather wait 5 days to get the little pin, or cause like the little pin is so cool. It might be a dumb decision though. He's so cute though. Trying to look down at it. Cute. Oh yeah, then that's the update. Bye.